Welcome back. Some news coming in from the national capital now. Air quality remains to be very poor in the national capital. Air quality index has worsened to severe category in several areas like Alipur, Mundka and Wazirpur as per Delhi Pollution Control Committee data. And also a thick blanket of smog continues to engulf Delhi, impacting the visibility. Kangna is live with us to give more details. So Kangna, the air quality in the national capital has dipped further, and the worrying part is that the smog is actually engulfing the entire capital. What is the situation like on ground?
Well, the situation on ground seems to be very hazardous because the air quality index from yesterday to today has dipped by almost 100 points. Yesterday, the air quality index in Delhi by the Delhi Pollution Control Committee was recorded at 350 on an average in the national capital and the Delhi NCR region. But today, according to the Delhi Pollution Control Committee, the air quality index in areas like Mundka, Wazirpur have been recorded at 406 and 427 respectively. And on an average also, somewhere or the other, in all the areas of Delhi NCR, the air quality index is between 400 to 450, which comes under the severe category. When we look at the sky, when we are walking out in the morning, we can clearly see that how the visibility is also getting low further and further as days are passing by, and which is why the Delhi government and the Delhi High Court has also instructed all the state pollution control committees and state pollution control boards, asking them to take strict actions against people who are found flouting any kind of rules. And since the Dussehra is also on its way, the Dussehra is on Monday, and which is why every state government has been asked to clearly monitor any effigy burning or bursting of crackers or construction activities that are not supposed to take place in high amounts. There should be a blanket ban on bursting of crackers and further activities which can deteriorate the air quality index of the national capital. Apart from that, what we have noticed is when the air quality index is between 400 to 500, which is a very severe category, it not only impacts the people who have existing diseases, but it also deteriorates people's health who are quite healthy. So children and people who have been coming out on weekends for a morning walk and programs like Rahagiri, Sunday activities that takes place in central Delhi, cycling activities, that has also reduced remarkably. So that is the quality of air that we are breathing right now. And unfortunately, every time we know that this is going to happen at the onset of winter season, October, November goes terribly for everyone living in Delhi. And even after that, the state governments have not been taking enough measures to control the air quality that we are breathing right now.
Right, no respite for Delhiites whatsoever. Thank you, Kangna, for sharing all those details.